everybody, the macrame woven top is done.
So taped here, and I'm gonna go put it on the sewing machine. I don't want to use pins because it seems to stay more in place when I have it taped so I can see it. So the ones are just barely kissing up against the one beside it, just barely. And let's do a kind of diagonal row.
A couple of notes. This would fit a 32 through 34 AB cup. If you need to size up, you need to add 4 extra pieces of cloth per cup size. So if you want to see, you need to add 4 more, and then you need 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Lark's head them on and make a square knot on either side. So I went and put it on a mannequin. I'm going to fold these under, not the sides. And I'm going to sew this like bottom triangle. I don't need this hanging off. It doesn't have any kind of aesthetic feel for me. Okay. Let's turn it. Fold them under. Get them lined up. And then I'm going to go ahead and pin. I wish that's, oh, let me use a clippy pin. I like this better. Okay. Don't need any more clippy pins over here, but for next time. Sewing is so precise. I guess macrame is too, but Jiminy Christmas. Don't have the patience for sewing, I don't think, y'all. Okay, just let me clip this. Don't need all this. Which I should cut more of it down. You don't really need all of this at all. Okay, let's go ahead and sew. It's getting thicker. Okay, I got it on the sewing machine. I'm going to sew it down. It's finally done. What do you think? Remember, the edges were raw. We talked about I should have, I need a serger. Don't have one, so this is just the design. And I hadn't intended to go this deep into this top. But I like the corset folding under here. And then if you come around to the back, coming around to the back, I folded this under and sewed, so that I could have a little hole to fish everything through. I guess hole isn't the proper term. And then so I fished one cord through some old t-shirt yarn that I used in a previous project, because remember, sustainable. I like to reuse, recycle. And it pulls over here so you can tighten it. And then I took out the blue cord, the big thick blue cord that I had that was 9mm rope. And she's done. She's done. You have no idea how long this took to figure out what was I going to do. I was trying this little panel here. I braided it, tried to fit it in and like sew, but it just didn't work out. So I feel like, hey, this is a design you can use. Obviously, I can't give you this more specifics, but I mean, it's probably a design already out there. Let's be honest. I'm not making a new wheel, reinventing the wheel.